Yeah.
Hi, this is Bruce, New America Construction. This is the garage of the home, and same thing here. We're going to remove all of the existing siding. The garage is already insulated.
You want to install the starter strip by placing the nails about every 16 inches. Center don't stop. Make sure.
Set. Because we were able to level off the house, I love how we can move very quickly.
After he checks his level and secure with the window. Fasten it. These windows come with 9 screws.
I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?
Some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right. Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to